Selling the value of user experience to stakeholders can be a challenge. Let's talk about how you can demonstrate that investments in UX leading practices, methods, and people deliver measurable value and positive outcomes to your ServiceNow implementations. The foundation of being able to sell the value of UX to stakeholders is measurement. If there's no data, you're not going to be able to convince anyone. It is recommended that you use a combination of quantitative and qualitative metrics to measure your user experience. You should start with an analysis of the solution that is currently in place. One of the best ways to do this is via user testing or usability testing. Another is to conduct structured user interviews that identify business goals, friction points, and needs. Use a variety of measures and record data that will allow you to track the deltas between the old and the new solution once you've implemented it. A few examples might be user satisfaction with the solution, the ability and time required to complete a task, or the number of events accurately processed in a given time frame. Let's dive deeper into the user metrics that you can measure. These are of key importance since they are fundamental to driving great user experiences. There are 4 stages of measuring how good an experience is, ranging from core performance requirements to delight and recommendation. The first stage is, does the solution meet a user's needs? By this, we're asking if the user was able to achieve the intended goal. The second stage is ease of use. In this measurement, we're asking how easy or difficult it was for the user to achieve the goal or goals. The third stage of measuring the quality of an experience is enjoyability. Just because a solution is able to technically meet the needs does not mean that it is enjoyable to use. Let's focus on this point, as it's very important, and it really should be considered the new baseline for good experiences. Combined with the rest of the learnings in this course, this is the what and the why you need to talk to your stakeholders about. Creating a solution that is delightful to use, in addition to being efficient and highly functional, is the key to any digital interaction. It's oftentimes the first impression for a customer and a critical interaction with your employees. These moments matter. Customer and employee satisfaction not only affect metrics like NPS and CSAT, but they also affect your reputation, productivity, retention, and bottom line. The final stage of a great experience is recommendation and referral. This is the natural act of promoting an experience because it was so positive. This is where we want to be. In addition to collecting data before a project is initiated, proposed solutions should also be tested before they are fully implemented in production. This saves time and reduces risk by validating the approach and comparing the results against your original baselines. In this day and age, great digital experiences are a competitive advantage. Features and functionality of software suites are easily replicated and are rarely unique. Thus, great user experiences are a differentiating factor that has long-tail benefits of customer and employee delight, ease of adoption, retention, and revenue growth.